Am I in this?
Yeah. Did you not want to be?
Do I have to be?
Do you know what I'm saying? It's good.
I don't know what she's saying. Sounds like she's trying to throw shade. And I hope she gets food poisoning for it, okay? Maybe that's what Bakersfield does. They give you raw shrimp. Yeah, you can bleep that out. Bleep that out for your bloopers, okay?
Hello, boys and girls.
Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Matt. And today we're going to collaborate to make a fabulous
Shrimp taco.
So, I'm going to be in charge of the shrimp. All you need for the shrimp is shrimp, obviously uncooked, eggs. We're making fried shrimp, so you're going to need shrimp, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, and some seasonings. And we'll get more into that in a bit. Melissa, what are you going to need for your toppings?
So for the rest of the shrimp taco, you're going to have some red pepper, some lime, some jalapenos if you want, jalapeno, or tortilla for
Mini.
Yeah, for today.
1 shrimp per taco.
Well, you guys know what's going on in the world. The grocery stores are a bit scarce.
Yeah, with the Rona.
So this is all we were working with, but these are street tacos, whole wheat tortillas.
Yeah, Miss Rona said you guys are just getting these little tacos today, and that's on period.
And then I'm also going to be doing a chipotle chili crema.
As you can see, we have 3 bowls out. In the first bowl, we're going to pour some flour in. So this is going to be our first step with the shrimp. Flour, and then, okay, I don't know what you're doing right now.
I'm going to do this while you're doing that. I'm taking the
some multitasking. Do you want to switch places, or no? No,
Nah.
I guess it's okay. I thought maybe you'd throw the tails in the
I will. Just, you keep going.
sink. Okay, anyways. Going to add some Cajun seasoning. Really, what are you doing in that bowl?
You put all the seasoning in with the breadcrumbs.
I don't.
Oh, then you do it your way.
Do the Cajun seasoning with the flour. We can season the breadcrumbs too. That's not the way that I've learned. And then these are just optional. I'm just going to add for additional flavorings. My favorite seasonings, Northwood's Fire. It's a fire seasoning. Some jerk chicken and fish. These are all kind of similar to I'd say the Cajun seasoning is like a mixture of the jerk and the Northwoods. And then some Trinidad lemon garlic marinade. If you follow along with Hot Girl Kitchen, which you should, you know that this is my favorite seasoning, and I add it to literally everything. Gives it a little bit of a citrusy flavor. And then in the second bowl, we're going to crack some eggs. I would let Melissa do it, but I've learned from experience that she's a little bit scary with the egg cracking process. Ah! Oh my god. I did a Melissa thing. I made a Melissa. I made an oopsie. Okay, and then we're gonna beat that egg. I guess not right now, because we don't have a fork or a whisk available. Then we're gonna put panko breadcrumbs in the last bowl. And since this is the world according to Melissa, we'll add some spices to that as well. So if you'd like to add some spices, go ahead.
No, you did it all with flour. We're good.
Okay, so we're good. We don't need any more. Oh, we're recording. Sorry we had to quench our thirst. You know, we can't get through a whole filming without a little bit of alcoholic encouragement. So, we're going to take these gorgeous, appetizing, gray, uncooked shrimp. Tails off. Make sure you do that because nobody wants to bite into a shrimp and, oh, ow, ew, it cut my mouth, have a tail. So what you do first is the flour. You toss it in the flour, like so. And then you dip it in the egg. I'm not going to pick up the egg bowl because, I mean, I think you can get the point if you're not stupid. And then you dip it in the breadcrumbs to get a nice, even coating. Try to get it nice and thick. We like a thick.
Bad boy.
Thick boy. There we go. Thick boys and girls only. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that for the rest of the shrimp. And meet you back here when that's done. Okay, so now that we've had our shrimp breaded, as you can see, gorgeous, fabulous, to die for, your fave could never. We're going to drop them into the oil. Look at this. And honestly, I don't even know how long we're going to leave them
Not
into.
long.
We're just going to leave them in until they turn brown.
Which will be right now. Pull them out.
I can't find them.
Yeah, pull them out faster. They're getting burnt.
Okay, I'm getting there. Oh my god, the drama. I can't find the other one. There it is. Okay, so I think I've learned I'm only going to do one at a time. As I said, I normally use a deep fryer, but in this impoverished household, they don't have a deep fryer. And Melissa wouldn't let me bring mine because she said I need to be more relatable to the public. But when I use my deep fryer, I just drop them all in at the same time. And I have the basket, you know, brings them all out. But we don't have a basket here because we don't have a deep fryer.
Alright, go ahead. No, pick it up. Out of there.
Oh, I thought you might go, hey, like, looks nice and crispy. Now that I have prepared the fabulous, delicious, amazing, to die for, your fave could never fried shrimp, Melissa's going to prepare some fabulous, amazing, to die for, your fave could never
Crema.
So
you're going to take some sour cream, or you could get crema, which is just, honestly, I don't know the huge difference, but I'm pretty sure it's already whipped sour cream based.
Oh, you finna whip this hoe.
Mm-hmm.
So
you're going to get...
I hope everyone's seen that Vine. Finna whip this hoe.
Anywho, we're going to do some chili lime.
Why do you... Woo, chow lime. This is a chow lime. Okay. Let's do some chow lime.
Some chili lime seasoning. And some garlic salt.
I need a drink to stick up with you.
And then we're just gonna
We're gonna whip this out.
We're gonna whip this out.
I'm crying.
Oh, we need more.
Michelle's gonna be so mad. I'm gonna cry my spray tan off. We need more of the chow lime. Woo, chow. It's a lot of chow lime. And if you missed the chili lime, where do you get this from? I've never seen anything like it.
Market District.
Okay, your local groceria.
Yeah.
I don't shop there. I shop at like more exclusive places.
Market District is the most exclusive place in Pittsburgh because it's not a chain. And you shop at chains. So.
It is a chain. Have you
In
not
Pittsburgh?
seen the 95? Yeah, in Pittsburgh, it's a chain.
Yeah, but you're shopping at national chains.
Oh, sorry. Sorry to break. Oh, Woolies is a national chain.
Okay, but you didn't get your spices from Woolies.
I got them from Penzies, which is fabulous, and they're paying their employees while they're
Whatever.
during coronavirus.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this crema, a little dish here, save it for our talks. The tacos, if you weren't sure.
What are you gonna put in the second dish?
Just a regular crema,
Oh.
aka sour cream.
Well, what's that for?
This is for the tacos, and the sour cream is also for tacos.
Ow! She stepped on me.
So I'm just gonna whip the top of the sour cream.
Wait, and what are you whipping this hoe for?
Just to make it easier to put in this little ramekin.
Right, but what are we doing with this?
This is for dipping or topping purposes. So like one
So
is
I'm not going to use it because I hate sour cream.
Well, you're about to use this one, so.
Well, that was a crema version. That was the crema edition. I don't like just like a dollop of Daisy on my food. Like, that's canceled.
A dollop of Daisy?
Which isn't Daisy because if you haven't noticed, Melissa loves generic ingredients.
No, I love Giant Eagle Market District ingredients.
Smells like great value to me. Okay, whip this hoe. She whipped this hoe and now she has this crema.
And now let's.
Oh my god, it's a perfect dollop. Looks like a titty.
Okay, let's go ahead and do our shells.
Okay, let's do them.
So we're just gonna heat these shells up. I put some nonstick spray on my nonstick pan because we don't want any sticking. But we're gonna go ahead and let those heat up a little bit and then flip them. Might take a couple seconds.
Oh, wrong angle. We'll all wait. The world is waiting. Oh wait, the tacos aren't even in them. It's just your boobs.
So we're letting these sit for a couple minutes. You're just gonna let them heat up.
You don't want them to be like brown. This is just a little
to heat
quick
them up.
heat.
Yeah,
and this is optional. I mean,
this
if you
is
want to be
just to
disgusting
and put them in the microwave.
Depraved, you can put them in the microwave.
Yeah.
Or if you want to be just downright like a caveman, you can just eat them cold. But that's so depraved.
Yeah, we would never.
Yeah, we would. Maybe your fave would. Your fave would ever. Yeah.
But our faves, aka us, would never.
Yeah, your fave could never do this. So, I mean, period. Now that we have all of our ingredients assembled, it's time to make our tacos.
So we're going to first start out with this chipotle
Crema.
Just put a little bit like that.
Looks divine. Smells divine. And guess what? I bet it tastes divine. Just a guess.
And then go ahead. We'll probably, because of the size, we'll probably put 2 pieces of shrimp each.
Yeah, these are very small johns, if you haven't noticed.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, nobody gets 2 perfect shrimp. Each person's gonna get 1 black shrimp and 1 normal shrimp. We're all about equality. This one's real black. Okay, yeah, go ahead and ding that and get on my nerves. Okay.
Okay.
Love this for us.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some guac on here.
Oh my god, Melissa, how did we make that guac?
Well, believe it or not, you guys probably have already seen it. But if
I hope
not,
so.
we're going to go ahead and link it below. How you can make this spectacular guac that we're going to go ahead and put on these.
Yeah, so this is my homemade guac, and we've featured it in a video prior. So I'm sure all of our...
True fans.
Yeah, all of our obsessed, crazed fans that can't get enough of Hot Girl Chicken. Hot Girl Chicken. Hot Girl Kitchen have already seen the tutorial. But we'll link it below for all the new fans. I mean, I'm sure we're going to have so many new fans.
So many.
From, like, YouTube featuring us. And, you know, maybe we'll get on BuzzFeed. You never know. Sponsor us. So this is a really interesting looking taco.
So we're gonna,
because it's such a small taco shell.
Yeah, it's small. So we're going to go ahead and add...
Looks a little bit like a flatbread.
So you're going to go ahead and take a red pepper. I split them in half because they're long and put them in here as well.
Okay, excuse your fave from the camera. I'm going to grab a knife. Oh, and look at this cute little boy.
I'm going
to do some jalapenos on mine to make it extra spicy.
We're going to go ahead and add some
Is anybody else interested?
Nah.
Okay, well, these are just for me then.
We're going to add some purple slaw, which is just some red cabbage chopped up. We didn't mention it earlier, but this came to us in action.
Came to us in a dream.
In action. And then, because we're super healthy...
Okay, which one is mine?
We'll make the big one yours. That big.
Guess I look like a big boy.
Oh.
Well, we'll wait while she opens that.
Yeah, so because we're super healthy, obviously, we're going to add our microgreens, which, if you didn't hear last video, have more nutrients than regular greens.
I mean, you probably have heard it from us because, like we said...
Huge fans.
Yeah, huge fans. Like, they can't get enough.
And then just a little squirt of lime juice.
Oh, she's a squirter, isn't she? It looks like big squirts.
And we're gonna go ahead and try these babies out.
Look at these. Okay, well maybe let's show the fans first. So let's go ahead and squeeze our limes for a nice. Oh wait, you already squeezed hella lime. Guess this is a real limey. It's basically like limeade. Wait, hold on. Cheers. If we can get these small ass tacos to cooperate.
And I'm gonna eat some extra crema.
I'm not.
Some fat.
Gross. So when you eat, maybe eat over the plate. But I mean, overall, I'd say
Pretty good.
maybe what, about 11 out of 10, maybe 12 out of 10.
Your fave could never.
Your fave could never make these shrimp that apparently are going to give you food poisoning. Like and subscribe for more fabulous, dangerous content. Live on the edge.
Real hot girl shit.